Hello everyone! Today I'll show you a quick and easy way to download background images from the Microsoft Edge start page to your Mac. To download a background image, open Microsoft Edge browser on your Mac. If you like the image of the day and want to save it, right-click on it and from the context menu select Save Image As. Choose your preferred location. I'll select the desktop for this example and click Save. When you double-click the downloaded file to open it, a pop-up will appear that says the disk image could not be opened. Click OK. Next, click on the image file name to select it. Replace the IMG file extension with JPG or PNG. And press the return key on your keyboard. A dialog box will appear asking, "Are you sure you want to change the extension from IMG to JPG?" Click Use JPG or PNG. And the image icon should update. Double-click to open it.
If you like this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell for more. Thank you.
An easier way to save the Microsoft Edge browser's image of the day is to right-click on it and select Open Image in New tab. Click the tab to view the image. Then click the image, hold your left mouse button down and drag it to your desktop. This is how you can download the Microsoft Edge background images. I hope you learned something new today. If you did, please consider subscribing by clicking on the LT Lucid Tutorials logo and sharing the video link with your friends. Your support will inspire me to create more videos for you. Thank you for watching.